Hello amigas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. My channel is all about making you feel confident no matter your style. As you know by the title, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to achieve this 90s/Y2K early 2000s white eyeshadow. I'm also going to be teaching you how I do my base. I feel like this era, the 90s, 2000s, even 2016 makeup is making a comeback. Honestly, ever since I discovered that type of makeup, I just stuck with it. I just resonated with it more and it's just my style now. So I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to achieve it. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be confident enough to achieve it yourself. As you can tell, I really got into character. I did the hairstyle and all. And I did record a tutorial for it, but it's gonna be over on my TikTok. So if you're not following me on other socials, then what are you doing? Let's get these out the way. And also, I did my brows off camera. I do have a tutorial on them 2 videos before this video. But if you want an updated tutorial, then I'll do it. Just let me know in the comments. In order for like the white eyeshadow to pop, you need a white base. So I like to use this LA Colors white concealer, and it's pretty affordable. So to have more control, I just put it on the back of my hand, apply a little bit like that. It's probably way too much. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques 314 brush. Just pick some up on the brush and just pack it onto the eyelid. It doesn't have to be perfect right now because this is just your base. It's like your primer. And I am going to take it a little bit to the brow bone. Just like that. Simple. I'm going with my favorite cool tone eyeshadow palette. It's the Morphe eyeshadow palette and Moon Stone. It just has all the perfect cool tones that I need. Just going with this brown shade right here. And I'm going to use it, as a transition shade. Just because I don't want like a flat white eyeshadow, I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid, windshield wiper motions. And it's not gonna be too much. And I'm using the brush M333 from Morphe. These are so good, and they did come up with a new collection. They were kind enough to send me the buttery blend brush collection. I did do a review on it, so I'm excited to use them again. They're so affordable and so reliable. It's like you have no excuses not to achieve a perfect glam, because tools are important and those tools are affordable and exactly what you need. Buttery blend eyeshadow. This is 303.5 eye packer. I'm gonna use that to pack on the white. Make sure you tap off the excess and go ahead and apply that all over the lid. All you want to do right now is packing motions, and I like to look down and then pack it. Don't worry about blending or it being too perfect right now. Just pack on that white eyeshadow. And you can do it as low as you want, as high as you want. Some people take it all the way up to the brow bone, and that's totally fine. Do what you want. But today I think I'm going like halfway. It's gonna be like medium, very settled. I say settle and then it's gonna be like full glam. And I'm just going back with that Morphe 333 brush. I'm blending that white shadow. This is how we're looking. So you can keep on packing that white eyeshadow as much as you want, but this is where I'm gonna stop. And I do want like that smoky black wing, so I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, shade 0. It's a black shade. Lightly apply it on top of my lash line. And this is the part you really have to be precise and careful. It takes a lot of practice, so don't worry. I usually just apply it on messy first and then take a brush and then smoke it out. It's like settled, but you can tell. Then I went with this black shade from the Morphe palette, the same Moonstone palette, and their liner brush. And I just kind of smoked it out and winged it out. You don't have to be perfect. Keep practicing. I know you got it. I'm not done with the eyes. I'm gonna come back to it, but I'm going with the base now. So I'm using this Danessa Myricks Yummy Serum, Glow Serum in the shade Fresh Press. This is some good stuff. It might be on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it. I'm running out. It just keeps your skin so hydrated, and it's perfect for like that underneath your base. I'm using the new Morphe 109 foundation brush. It does have a little skin tint on it. It's kind of dirty because I used it like yesterday or something like that. It is so good. Make sure my skin is hydrated before my base products. Now that the serum is semi-dry, I'm going with this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. It does have sunscreen SPF 25, and I have been loving it. I used this in my previous video, I believe. But anyways, this has been one of my full coverages foundation. I'm just gonna pump some on my spatula. You know what I mean. I'm using the M108 Morphe foundation, just picking it up on the brush. And then just painting it on. I like to do tapping motions just because it gives me like the most fullest coverage. And if I feel like it's too much, then I will go over with a sponge and just take out any like excess foundation. With that same foundation and the small detail brush like this, I just go ahead and carve the top of my eyebrows. And you can see a drastic difference. Or sometimes I like to use a full coverage concealer. For contour, I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Contour Balm in the shade Sculpted. And this probably is one of my favorite drugstore contour balms. Just because it's so creamy and pigmented. Now, contour is cool tone, bronzer is warm tone. I don't know if you knew that, but it was just a reminder. I'm going with the M242 Morphe brush. And the contour is basically going to be a shadow. It's going to create those shadows where you would like it. And the bronzer is going to like give you that sun kiss type of look. Usually you apply your contour underneath your bronzer. So I put a little bit lower just because I'm going to go with a little bit bronzer right over here. And like I said, I just like to tap, tap, tap and blend in place. I don't want to like take it too in because I don't want it to look muddy. I just want to like blend it in place. Bronzer, I'm using this Morphe Shapelifter in the shade Refine. And it's like a stick, very thin. And it's honestly so convenient. And this is like pretty much the areas. And I always like to set my cream products down first before setting anything, because when you do cream before powder, I just feel like it looks so much better. Sometimes when you put creams on top of powders, if the formula is not for it, then it will look like your makeup is lifted, and you don't want that. So that's why I always do creams before powders. Just look how seamlessly that blended. For blush, I've been liking this Patrick Ta cream and powder blush. This is the shade Just Enough, and it's like the perfect baby cool pink in my opinion. Since the look that I'm going for is very like Y2K, 90s, 2000s. It looks great with a cool tone blush, so we're going for that. I'm taking my Morphe M202 brush, picking some product up, and then applying it to my cheekbones. I usually like to bring the product up to my temples and a little bit in under the eye, because when I put on the concealer, it just like neutralizes everything. Whatever's left, I like to put it on the bridge of my nose, on the forehead, and the chin. And you can build this up to whatever you want, so don't be afraid to build it up. My choice of concealer for today is gonna be this Maybelline Eraser Multi-Usage Corrector. This is in the shade 120, and it has like that spongy. Honestly, stop using it. I don't know why, but it's pretty reliable. Yeah, I am kind of going crazy with the concealer. 402 Real Techniques brush, and start blending the side right here, because I don't want it like to fully dry and look crazy, so we're just blending it now. I like to take it to the temple. And before even blending more, I'm going with my Kosas Cloud Set. And I'm just gonna spray my whole face, drenching it, not being scared. With a damp beauty blender. This one's from Morphe's new buttery brush collection. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. That way it picks up any like excess product that, you know, might look cakey when I set. I pretty much set my face off camera. I did my Huda Beauty Loose Easy Bake Powder in the shade Pound Cake, Morphe Soft Veil Cloud Light, and a darker shade for the bronzer and the lighter shade just everywhere else. For the blush, I used my Patrick Ta, the powder side. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the waterproof Sky High Maybelline mascara. I'm just applying it to my top lashes. I applied some lashes and I'm using the same Urban Decay gel liner to put it on my waterline and kind of smoke it out. Now I'm just going back with that mascara and doing my lower lashes. And you already know it's time for me to do the lip combo and me to be quiet. And that's the final look. I absolutely love it. Even with this hairstyle, it just brings everything together. This is such a vibe, and I feel like people need to do more of this makeup style because it's just so chic, so like effortless. Let me know what you guys think about this look. I love it, and I really hope you found this helpful and you are able to achieve this look. And if you have any other questions about this look, just feel free to ask me down in the comments. If you like this makeup style or this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really does help. Share it with a friend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.